everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing a Cloversac organizer. This company reached out to me and was kind enough to send me a nice organizer that fits my Neverfull, and also I would say a Speedy 30 and like any type of tote that's that kind of size. I believe you can get different sizes. You just have to go on their website and kind of pick the purse that you're looking to organize for and go from there. So yes, so they were kind enough to send me this. I've been using it for a full, I would say 2.5 weeks, maybe more. I think I would say I've been using it for the last 3 weeks, so non-stop, just to kind of get a real feel of how it works, how functional it is, especially compared to my other organizers that I've had in the past. But first, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also don't forget to comment down below for any content you'd like to see. So let's get started. Okay, so as you saw in my previous video with my Neverfull, this is it, the Neverfull MM, and I mentioned it before, but I really like to organize this purse just because it's so big and I carry a lot of stuff, you know? Okay, so you already know what I carry in it from my what's in my bag. This organizer fits really nicely in there, like super nicely. It has like a little space, like I would say like this much space from the organizer to the end, which I actually like because I can stick a water bottle there, or in my case I stuck my Tums in there. But you can stick anything in there, right? So I do like that it doesn't like completely inflate your bag or like fill out your bag to the point where it's like so tough, if that makes sense. So yeah, so let me take it out and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. All right, it's really actually very beautiful, I would say. It comes with a shaper at the bottom. It comes with shapers that you can put on the side, tuck in the sides, in the pockets. It comes with base shapers that you can tuck in the side pockets like this, just to keep it I guess a little more shapely. And then it also comes with a big huge shaper that goes in the bottom. I actually took that out. It looks exactly like this, and the dimensions are exactly like, you know, it fills the whole bottom one. I took mine out personally just because I don't like my bags to be very structured. Like, I like the structure, but at the same time I like them to be a little more plush, just because I just like the look of it. And also my main concern for an organizer in my Neverfull, because I have had different ones, is the fact that when I put it on, I don't like that it sticks out and then it kind of like bumps my underarm. I really hate that. I like to just feel like, you know, I'm part of the bag, if that makes any sense. And this organizer, honestly, I actually really enjoyed it. When I first got it, I'm like, oh, I'm not quite sure about the material. It might be a little too like tough, not like, you know, smushable in a sense, but it's perfect. I would say it's perfect, especially in my tote, just because it kind of like molds to whatever you want. So say if you're holding the tote and you put your arm around and you kind of squeeze it, I mean, it's not like stick straight hard type of material. So it's not like that hard type of material, if that makes any sense. So yes, it can fit a lot. It keeps it really organized. Like I mentioned before, this is what I carry in my Neverfull. You know, like there's a ton of stuff that fits in there. I'll take everything out and show you what it looks like empty. Again, if you want to see what I do pack in my Neverfull, go check out my video on my Neverfull review, because then you can see what's in my bag and you can see my take on the Neverfull. But for now, this is what it looks like. Okay. This is the inside. This is the side, front, side. Okay, so in the front pockets, they're pretty flat, so you can stick anything in there, like even if you're traveling, maybe even your passport or anything like that in there. And then in the back, you have a long sleeve or pocket where you can stick, I guess, whatever it is that you need to stick in there. But I usually put anything like my journal or my to-do list booklet, anything like that in there. And then inside, I actually thought this middle compartment was gonna like annoy me because it is like bottomless. If you can, you can see my fingers through it. But I actually really enjoyed it. So again, let's start from the front. So this is the front with the little logo, Cloversac. So you've got the 2 pockets here. It's got a mesh pocket here. And then right in front of it, it's got 2 little mesh pockets in there. So one that's a little smaller, maybe for lipstick or something. And then over here for something bigger, maybe even your phone. Let's see if that fits in there. Yep. My iPhone 7 Plus fits in there with a pop socket. I think that's what's called, right? The little things that help you hold it. So it's that big, so it's great. I don't personally put my phone there. I just kind of stick it there or on one of the sides just to grab it quickly. And then you've got a big space here, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. I believe they're all the same size. You can stick a lot of stuff in there just so you can get an idea. These are my car keys, and it fits beautifully in there. And I love that because it's got little space there, but you can really organize everything, especially in a big tote. And then if you move that aside, you've got one little pocket, which I tend to stick like, memory cards in. Or you can stick anything really in there. Another little pocket right there, and a 3rd pocket there. And I think that's where I put my phone, actually. Yeah, I usually put my phone in there. You can put your phone in there, you can put lipsticks in there. I think I put my phone and lipsticks in there interchangeably sometimes. So yeah, those are the compartments, and that's the back with the big slot. One of the little things I actually like, I'm not for or against Velcro at all, but I really like that this one has snap closures. Do you see? You just snap it off if you don't really like, if you're not that kind of person that likes the little compartments in the middle. I know sometimes I don't need it. I would prefer like a bigger slot. You can take it out and then just use this as a kind of like a bucket to hold all your stuff, especially if you're a very organized person and has little pouches. This can work. You know what I mean? Oh, another hair tie. I have like 5 million hair ties on me. That's what it looks like. I personally do like the little compartment just because it is really smushy and it doesn't really, it's not very structured if you take out the little shapers. These are the shapers. So like I said, you could put these on the sides if you want it to be more structured and you want your bag to be more structured. And then there's a big one that comes in here that you can slide inside, and it becomes really structured as well. But I personally like it to be a little bit more mushy, like I mentioned, but it's all your preference. I'm really actually loving this organizer, actually. Like I said, I thought I wouldn't like the material of it, but I actually like it a lot. I'm used to the Samorga or like the felt type of organizers, and I really enjoy this, and I'm surprised that I love it so much, and I really am enjoying all the compartments it has. So yeah, that is my honest to goodness review on this. I actually really like it. I would definitely recommend it, and also the price point is a lot more feasible than a lot of other organizers. I still love my Samorga organizer. I still love it in my Speedy 25 bandolier, but I love this specific one in my purse. And if you're wondering why I got a beige one instead of a red one for my Neverfull, it's because I really do not like color transfer on my light leather goods. And this is also transferable to different size bags. I believe this will fit in the Speedy 30, and it also will fit in a long chop type of tote. So yeah, that is my honest to goodness review on this beautiful organizer. Thank you so much, Cloversac, for sending this to me to review and to use. I really am getting a lot of use out of it, and I really actually like it a lot and do recommend it to other people. If you are actually looking for an organizer, I totally recommend it. If you like a discount code, Cloversac was kind enough to provide me with a coupon code. So if you'd like to head over to my Instagram, you can totally check out my link on one of my pictures featuring this beautiful organizer. So that wraps up my review on this beautiful organizer. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you for stopping by, subscribing, and joining my channel. Don't forget to check out my previous videos, especially the one on my Never Full. Totally reviewed it and went through what's in my bag for that one if you are interested. And also don't forget to subscribe, comment, and smash that like button, please. So you let me know if you like these types of videos. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and cheers!